Hey science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nanotechnology, a field that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From medicine to electronics and even environmental science, nanotechnology is making waves everywhere. But what exactly is nanotechnology and how does it work? Let's explore this intriguing subject together. Let's break it down. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter on an incredibly small scale. First off, nanotechnology is all about the nanoscale, which is unbelievably tiny. We're talking about dimensions that are a billionth of a meter. That's right, a billionth. It's hard to even imagine something that small. We're talking about manipulating matter on an atomic and molecular scale, where the rules of physics can be quite different. Imagine working with particles so small, they're about 1/10000000th of a meter in size. It's like entering a whole new world. That's like comparing the size of a marble to the size of Earth. Mind-blowing, isn't it? So, how does this microscopic magic happen? How do scientists actually manipulate such tiny particles? It begins with the use of specialized tools and techniques. These tools allow scientists to see and even move individual atoms. Scientists use specialized tools like the scanning tunneling microscope and the atomic force microscope. These instruments are incredibly precise and allow for manipulation at the atomic level. It's like having a pair of tweezers that can pick up and place individual atoms exactly where you want them. Think of it like playing with Lego bricks but on an atomic level. Cool, right? The possibilities are endless. Now, on to the exciting part, the applications of nanotechnology. This is where things get really interesting. Nanotechnology isn't just some sci-fi concept, it's already revolutionizing various fields. In medicine, for example, we have nanobots that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, minimizing side effects. These tiny robots can navigate through the bloodstream with precision. This targeted approach is a game-changer in cancer treatment. In electronics, nano-sized transistors are making our gadgets faster and more efficient. This means more powerful computers and smartphones that consume less energy. Even in environmental science, nanoparticles are being used to clean up oil spills and purify water. These tiny particles can absorb pollutants and make our planet cleaner. One of the most intriguing areas is the development of new materials. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, we can create super strong, lightweight substances like carbon nanotubes and graphene. These materials have unique properties that can revolutionize various industries. Imagine building skyscrapers with materials that are stronger and lighter than steel, or creating flexible, transparent electronics that can be integrated into clothing. These materials have the potential to revolutionize everything from construction to space travel. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges and ethical considerations to address. Nanotechnology also comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. For instance, there are concerns about the environmental impact and health risks of nanoparticles. Scientists are working hard to address these issues, ensuring that nanotechnology is safe and beneficial for everyone. So why is nanotechnology the future? Because it opens up a world of possibilities. The potential applications are vast and varied. Because it opens up a world of possibilities. From curing diseases to developing new materials and even cleaning up our planet, nanotechnology is poised to change the way we live and interact with the world. The microscopic world holds immense potential and we're just scratching the surface. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting science content. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating insights into the world of science. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring.